There are a few steps you can take to increase your chances of getting your first order on Fiverr. Create a clear and detailed profile. Make sure your profile accurately reflects your skills, experience, and services offered. Include a professional-looking profile picture and provide examples of your work in your portfolio. Optimize your gig titles and descriptions. Use keywords that accurately describe your services, and make sure your gig titles and descriptions are clear and easy to understand. Set competitive prices. Consider the prices of similar gigs and try to offer competitive prices while still valuing your own time and expertise. Respond to potential buyers promptly. If you receive a message or request from a potential buyer, make sure to respond promptly and professionally. Promote your gigs. Share your gigs on social media and other online platforms to increase visibility and attract potential buyers. There are a few steps you can take to increase your chances